Here at the University of Law Business School, we offer a range of courses designed to maximise your employability in the corporate, consulting, entrepreneurial, public and non-profit sectors, anywhere in the world. You can choose to study online at one of our 5 UK locations or at one of our international campuses. Plus, with Campus Switch, you can switch to any campus internationally, including our online campus that offers your course. Whether you are starting out or already employed, our programs will enable you to fulfill your career aspirations, and we prepare you to work embracing the highest professional standards. We pride ourselves on our friendly learning environment with personalised teaching in small workshop groups, open dialogue and personal tutors. And we're committed to enabling you to gain the ethical, responsible, innovative leadership skills needed for the workplace of today and tomorrow. Many of our programs are also accredited by industry and professional bodies and run in partnership with leading businesses. In 2020, we were ranked first among English universities for undergraduate student satisfaction in the National Student Survey. Full, part-time and online undergraduate programs ensure you can structure your studies around your everyday life. And our courses offer you the chance to tailor your degree to your career goals and the professional profile to shape your future. All of our graduating students also qualify for free progression to master's programs worth up to £17,000. All of our master's programs advance your knowledge and develop your professional skills and are designed with employability and entrepreneurship in mind. 100% of our master's students were in employment 15 months after graduating. And if you're already on your career path, you'll gain the skills you need to enhance your existing role and progress in your career.